So
okay,
today,
today we're going to be doing 9,865 divided by 11. So now we're going to write the 11 time table.
So 11, 22, 33, nice and easy. Today 44, 55, 66, and that should be enough for now.
Yeah.
We might need more. So we know 11 doesn't go into 9, so we're automatically going to put a 0 there. But 98, we have to write some more times tables. So
66, 77, 88, and 99.
So we know that 98 11 does go into 98. It goes in right there. Count how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I'm going to write an 8 up here, and we're going to write 88 down there.
So now 8 take away 8 is 0, and 9 take away 8 is 1. So now we got 10. But now we got to bring down the 6, which would give us 106. So now we've got to write more. Okay, so now 99 plus 11 is
100. And if you want to, so 99 plus
so now
11.
If you want to just show out your workings out. So 99 plus 11, 9 plus 1 is 10, 0, and now you need to carry over the 1. 9 plus 1 is 10, plus that 1 is 11. So it is 110. Okay, now 110 is alright for us at this moment of time. So now 106 goes in between 99 and 110. So now you do 99 take away 106 take away 99.
So we know that 6 take away 9 will go into negative numbers, and we do not want that. So we're going to cross out the 1 and make it 0, and carry the 1 to make it 10. But that's not what we need right now, so we're going to cross out 10, make it a 9, and put the 1 by the 6. 16 take away 9 is 7. 9 take away 9 is 0, 0 take away nothing is 0. But look, we have 1 digit left, so we're going to bring down that 5.
Now we're going to write the 5. So now we see if 75 is in the 11 timetables, which it isn't.
As you can see, we made a little mistake here.
So now we need to see how many times
99 went into our 11 times tables. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
So now we write the 9 on top of the 6. So now back to where we were previously. We see if 75 can go into the 11 timetables. So it doesn't, but it can go in between 65 and 77. So you write 75 here, and it goes in
how many times?
Which is 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Just to make sure. So the 6 goes over here, and now we need to take away 75 from 66. So that would become. So that becomes a 6, and now we need to do 15 take away 6.
15 take away 6 is 9, and 6 take away 6 is 0. Now we have a remainder here, but we don't want a remainder. So back to where we were. 15 take away 6 is a 9. Back to where we were. So we know that's a 9. Oops, sorry guys, messy handwriting. I'm guessing we can read that.
And now we could do okay.
So we
now
have an issue. We have a remainder.
So now,
but we're not stopping here.
Yeah. So what we do is we do 5.0, and we write that decimal point, beside the 6. So now we need to bring down that 0, which would give us 90. So 90 would go in between averagely 88 and 99.
The 5.
So we're going to mark it there.
And then you see how much times 15 goes into your times table.
So now, this is what we do. We count how much times 90 goes in, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, just to make sure. So the 8 goes beside the decimal point, and then we take away 90 from 88. So this is what you do. You do 88, take away 90. 0, take away 8, you can't do, but that would take us to negative numbers. So the 9 becomes an 8. Sorry for the messy handwriting. And now the 10. So now 10 take away 8 is 2. And now 8 take away 8 is 0. But now we still got a remainder.
So if we add another decimal place and bring that down, it becomes 20. So yeah, and we see how many times 20 will go in. As we can see, 20 goes in here, in between 11 and 22. So we know that goes in once. So we write the 1, and then we write the 11. 11 take away 20. So we cross out the 2, make that a 1, and we carry the 1 to make it a 10. 10 take away 1 is 9, and 1 take away 1 is 0. But we still have a remainder. But this is where you would stop, as if you were doing money, you only have two decimal places. But this is the end of it today, and yeah.
So your answer should be 896.81. Bye. This has been Ilyas and Xavier.